How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 66 Impala done in a gorgeous factory Marina Blue, a black top, black interior. So very, very nice, solid survivor car. It's had one repaint a few years back. It's original grille and headlight, bezels and grille moldings, all in excellent condition. It's original bumpers. They're all in real good condition. The car's nice and straight down the sides. Got all the side moldings on it. It's got a set of rally wheels, flat caps with the red lines. Just good looking car. Just a cool car. And these Impalas are hard to come by. All the tail lights, all the deck lid moldings, the rear bumper. It's all the original equipment. It's all in real nice condition. Car's real flat, straight down the sides. The car's got a lot of the original stuff on, original door handles, and looks like they've replaced the mirrors. Got the original 327 4-barrel, power steering. It's got power disc brakes, nice little upgrade there. The original 2-speed power glide's been replaced with a 400 turbo trans. It's got the factory exhaust manifolds into 2.5-inch duals. It was an air car. The compressor is missing. The jams look good. All the interior, it looks to be the original interior in excellent condition for being original. Dash all looks nice. They did do an AM/FM CD stereo, nicely mounted in there. So the headliner looks real good. They did put rear seat belts in it and front seat belts in it. I tell you, this car just floats down the road. And I tell you, a little 327 runs pretty darn strong. It's got the original spare and jack, or it's actually a matching spare, but it's got the original jack and everything in it. Trunk floor's real solid and nice. You'll see that in the pictures. I really like these fastback Impalas. Got the Kleenex dispenser there under the dash. Nice little option. I tell you, these are just cool cars. Thing fires right up. Just a nice car, nice and straight down the sides. It looks real good. Backup lights all work on it. It's just a super cool car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.